Hello, everyone. It's my fantastic tour, and the tour has been started from Dhaka to Kaptai, from Kaptai Jettigat to Bileshwari. Right now, just I'm gonna describe my tour, and in this tour, I have got huge fun. And actually, if you'd like to come and pay your special visit to Bilachori, just you come from Dhaka to Kaptai Jettigat, and after Jettigat, you will hire a boat, and by hiring a boat, you start your journey from Jettigat to Bilachori. Just it will take 2 hours, and you will reach in the nick of time by 2 hours, and you will enjoy the aesthetic beauty of Bilachori. Just I'm gonna today describe my tour about this place, and this place is really panoramic and fantastic place, and I'm gonna say something about Karnafuli Lake. Okay, Kaptai Lake is the largest man-made lake in Bangladesh, located in the scenic hill district of Rangamati, surrounded by rolling green hills, dense forest, and small tribal villages. The lake is famous for its breathtaking panoramic beauty. It was created in the 1960s when the Karnafuli River was dammed to produce hydroelectric power. The blue water of the lake reflects the sky, and the green hills creating a mesmerizing view that changes with the sunlight. Small islands like Shuvolong, Polwel Park, and Tuktuk Eco Village dot the lake, offering a peaceful sports for boating, fishing, and photography. You will enjoy you will enjoy hues by traveling, and you will feel everything, and the panoramic view will enchant you, no doubt at all. This is like a Vietnam, and somewhat the Maldives and Sri Lanka. If you would like to pay your special visit, Vietnam, Maldives, or Sri Lanka, just you not enable yourself to pay this visit due to a lack of money or time, you surely come to Kaptai Lake by traveling this lake, Karnafuli Lake. You will get the gesture and feelings of Vietnam, and feelings of Maldives or Sri Lanka. When we paid our special visit, we enjoyed huge this place, and especially this month. And this month is November. You pay your special visit in this month, and this month you will get all sorts of opportunities to enjoy here, and the whole area is just a large greenery, and everywhere you will get large greenery, and you can enjoy the river, and you can enjoy large greenery, huge trees, hills, everything you can have here. And visitors often enjoy boat rides, to explore the calm waters and visit local markets and tribal homes and waterfalls and hidden among the hills. It's really zone of fountain, and this is why people say like this. It's a area of fountain, right? If you are really a fountain lover, you must pay your special visit to this place, Bilachori. It's a really aesthetic place, and the cool breeze, chirping birds, and serene environment make Kaptai Lake a perfect escape from busy city life. You are really frustrated or bored, or but you are facing boredom to stay Dhaka city for a long time, okay, you come and pay a special visit here, a place where nature and tranquility meet in harmony. Thank you so many much, Stefan.